First, understand what Jupiter really is. Jupiter is not a planet you can land on. There is no ground, no solid surface, no place to stand, only storms, gas, pressure, and crushing gravity. The fall begins. You're approaching Jupiter from space. From far away, it looks beautiful, swirling orange and white clouds, that giant red eye. That's the Great Red Spotted Storm, larger than Earth, raging for over 300 years. As you fall closer, Jupiter's gravity pulls you faster and faster. Its gravity is 2.5 times stronger than Earth's. You're accelerating. There is no stopping now. Entering the clouds, you hit the upper atmosphere. There's no impact, just thickening gas. Winds scream past you at 600 kilometers per hour. Lightning flashes around you, far more powerful than Earth's. The air is made mostly of hydrogen and helium. You cannot breathe. Within seconds. Without protection, you're gone. But let's say you're in an indestructible suit. You continue falling deeper. It gets worse as you descend. Pressure increases rapidly. Temperature rises. Visibility disappears. After about 100 kilometers down, the pressure becomes crushing. After a few hundred kilometers, it becomes thousands of times Earth's atmospheric pressure. Your body, even inside a strong suit, would be compressed. Bones would fracture, organs would collapse. The point of no return. At extreme depths, hydrogen behaves differently. It becomes liquid metallic hydrogen, a strange state of matter where hydrogen conducts electricity like metal. This layer is believed to generate Jupiter's massive magnetic field. You are now being crushed by pressures millions of times stronger than Earth's surface. There is no survival here. Near the core, scientists believe Jupiter may have a dense rocky core or a fuzzy diluted core mixed with heavy elements. We don't fully know. Even NASA's spacecraft like Juno are still studying it. But one thing is certain, you would never reach it alive. Long before the core, UDB, crushed, overheated, vaporized. The dark reality. Falling into Jupiter isn't like falling onto a planet. It is like falling into an endless sky that slowly turns into an ocean that slowly turns into metal that slowly crushes you out of existence. There is no splash, no landing, no dramatic explosion, just pressure and silence.